Wakia's Bay Wyvron, Wild Wyvron, as you can see here. Wyvron V2. So at the back, it's a pretty cool blade, and it's a defense type. We got a Wild Wyvron layer, the vertical disc with the orbit driver. So it comes with stickers as it is a Takatomi product. So I'm super excited. I couldn't wait to open this. So let's get right into this blade. Okay, let's try to open this from top. There you go. There we go. Nice. Yes, and it is a ripcord launcher, so it comes with a very nice ripcord. Put that later. There you go. Let's take this baby out already. Not even ready to take it out nicely. Anyways, it comes like this. There. Like that. There we go. We got Wyvron. Super cool one. Let's do the launcher. There you go. Take this thing out. There you go. We got the launcher. Pretty cool launcher with the red. I like that. With the grip holder. Nice. Wait, let me try to put this back together. There you go. It is a new one than the other ones. It's new than others. So we got the stickers. Let's get that out. Come on, it sticks here. So we got the stickers for the Wyvron. Strong one. Okay. So let's talk about the bed. Let's get this thing out of here. Okay. Wild Wyvron. Let's take a look at the layer. So these attack points, even it is a defense type bay, those attack points, like, they look pretty cool. It can damage one bay immediately, like in the anime. It actually damages it. We have the vertical disc, pretty cool, also damaging. See? Oh, I like the ball. It's like atomic. It's like atomic, but it's orbit. Like atomic orbit. There you go. Nice driver. So let's get this bay together. There we go. Just do that. Twist it. There we go. We got Wild Wyvron. Super cool. So let's put the stickers together. First, it comes with stickers. And as in the Guinan video, there's a picture, so you can put the stickers accordingly. So let's put the stickers together then. Let's see that. There you go. Wyvron sticker. So it's pretty small stickers, so I don't want that. But yeah, fits pretty nice. Okay, now we are ready with our stickers on with Wyvron. Looks pretty cool with the stickers, and as you can see, I like the orbit driver spinning parts, of course. And now let me tell you how to put this on. So it's actually different than a string launcher in the Guinan video. So you just have to take your launcher, the grip holder, and your launcher. There you go. You can see this white part, right? The white part, you take this whole part, and you just have to put that in, just like that. It fits in. And I put the ripcord. You just get a hole with the white part. You just get the ripcord back in over there. That's how you put it up. Okay. Wyvron looks pretty cool. So let's have some test launches with it now. So let's do it. 3, 2, 1, let it. Okay, with the orbit driver, it actually looks nice. But pretty cool. And actually the defense is gonna sit in the middle like nothing. Wow. Looks pretty cool. Sits in the middle. Wow. Super cool blade. Let's have another test launch. There you go. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Wow, it actually got for attack. Defense for attack. No. God. Anyways. Going pretty smooth with the orbit driver. Or atomic, if you want to say atomic. Okay. That's pretty cool. So, this is it for today's video. So, bye everybody. See you in the next video.